With the markets as volatile as they've been, the high cost of precious metals has become more and more of a challenge for both jewelry makers and jewelry buyers. Silver Filled lets you offer your customers the bright white look of silver at a fraction of the cost of silver. And it's a higher quality product than plated metal, which has only a microscopic layer of precious metal. The silver used for the bonding process is typically sterling silver, and it can make up either 5% of the metal by weight or 10% of the metal by weight. You'll know which one you're looking at by the fraction in the product description. 1/20th silver filled is 1/20th silver by weight, or 5% silver. 1/10th silver filled is 1/10th silver by weight, or 10% silver. Rio Grande carries a variety of silver-filled fabrication metals, findings, and chain. Our silver-filled findings and chain are either 1/10th or 1/20th silver-filled. Our fabrication metals include silver-filled sheet and wire. These products are 1/10th silver-filled. In our testing, we found that the additional thickness layer better serves fabrication techniques such as cutting, forming, and polishing. Rio Grande offers both single and double-clad sheet, as well as round, half-round, and square wire. Wire is available in both dead soft and half-hard tempers. The half-hard is ideal for wire wrapping. Rio Grande's tech team has done quite a bit of testing with silver-filled sheet and wire. They've found that silver-filled fabrication metals behave very much like their gold-filled counterparts. In tests with sheet, the silver-filled performed well in a rolling mill, with no delamination issues. It has a very soft feel and is easy to print using a rolling mill or other texturing method. Stampings cut cleanly with no flaking. The silver-filled sheet was trouble-free. Silver-filled can be soldered, but take great care not to do too much. Any blemishes that appear that you didn't intend cannot be sanded out because you'll expose the brass. Choose solders with flow points below 1400 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. We recommend you use a barrier flux such as Handy Flux, Cuprinil, Stop-Ox 2, or Fire Scoff on both the silver and the brass edges that you are soldering. For both sheet and wire, you'll find that regular pickle doesn't clean up the exposed brass as well as it does the silver, so expect to do some light polishing to restore the finish on the brass. When finishing silver-filled, use the same care as you would for gold-filled material. Polish lightly or tumble finish rather than using more aggressive direct buffing. Tumbling in steel shot puts a great shine on silver-filled. It's a non-abrasive technique, so there's no chance of removing the silver layer. Because of this, tumbling in steel shot can't remove scratches, so it's important to avoid scratching the metal while you work with it. Keep in mind, whichever techniques you use, that you won't be able to sand or polish very much without the risk of exposing the brass substrate. Be aware that the brass core of silver-filled metals is visible on the ends of the wire and at the sides and back of the sheet. If these ends will be exposed, you may want to consider electroplating. On the other hand, because of the difference in color between the brass substrate and the silver exterior, silver-filled offers some intriguing design possibilities when you treat it as a bimetal. By strategically sanding, cutting, polishing, and so on, you can create some unusual and eye-catching effects. Silver-filled metal will tarnish just like sterling silver does. The good news is that the same measures that help you prevent tarnish on sterling also work beautifully on silver-filled. These include anti-tarnish strips, tarnish shield solutions, and protective lacquers. This is the composition of Rio's 1/10th silver-filled fabrication metals. The outer layer is made up of sterling silver. The base layer is red brass. These are the approximate hardnesses of Rio's silver-filled fabrication metals from annealed to spring hard. Call us at 800-545-6566 or visit riogrande.com today for more information and to find silver-filled sheet, wire, and a variety of findings. You're going to love this affordable, brilliant white material.